XRP is the next Bitcoin. But what's the next XRP? The XRP army sees XRP to overtake Bitcoin at some point in time. And whenever there's a bull run, people feel left out and looking for the next best thing. Now, what could possibly that next best thing be? How about XRP 2.0 that went up more than 200% in the last 24 hours? Look at this. Coin market cap XRP 2.0. 202.82% gains in the last day alone. This is not the first time we see this happening. We also saw this with Pepe, for example, the meme coin Pepe. It went through the roof and directly afterwards Pepe 2.0 had been launched. Look at these massive gains of Pepe 2.0. It started off with 45, I don't even know what this is, millions of a cent maybe, and it went up all the way to 20,946 of those millions of a cent. So I don't know what kind of multiple this is, but you're basically getting rich by buying this early enough. But here comes the catch, if you're buying this early enough. And the legitimacy of those projects are of course very, very questionable. Now this is somewhat okay if you're dabbling in meme coins anyway, but for XRP, the people that buy XRP, they take their investment pretty seriously. Have a look at what happened afterwards with Pepe 2.0. Pepe 2.0 simply just imploded and the price went back to reality. Have a look at the website of XRP 2.0. It almost looks legitimate, right? References here to CoinGecko and to CoinMarketCap and to GitHub. But once we dig a bit deeper, right, we see here the team, it's all anonymous. Very different to the real XRP. So really, when you're getting into XRP 2.0, you're hoping for other people to come after you. This is 100% player versus player. This is the XRP 2.0 price so far. And I don't have any of this token and I don't plan on buying any of the token. It is somewhat like participating in a lottery. If you do make the right hit, you can make it big. But if you don't, and this is the majority of the times, you simply just lose your money. There's no real reason to risk that much in crypto. Because for 1,000 Pepe 2.0s, there are 999 altcoins that underperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. And that's my general strategy. I rather bet on altcoins doing poorer than Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can short the altcoins. You can bet on falling prices of altcoins relative to Bitcoin. And this is, I think, the safer way to make alpha, to make outperformance on top of just buying and holding Bitcoin. Finding the next trend in town is really, really hard. Now, making money with falling prices is actually easier than making money from rising prices. And that's because of the return distribution in crypto. Very few altcoins outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. The vast majority has very poor tokenomics. It has expanding token supply. It doesn't have enough people jumping onto the project. It has a lot of potential competition, and that makes most altcoins underperform. So it is easier to bet on falling prices of the poorest altcoins than it is to find the needle in the haystack, to find the one altcoin that might do better than Bitcoin. If you just select a random altcoin out of the top 100, chances are that you're going to do worse than Bitcoin. The chances are probably above 80%. So it's easier to generate alpha on top of just holding Bitcoin by betting on falling prices of poor performers. And the first time where I did this very publicly on the YouTube channel was with the Pancake Swap token. So this is the chart, Cake relative to BNB. It really crashed. And we totally anticipated this crash more than 50% because of the unlock of the staking program of Cake. Now you don't have to trust me, simply just look at the history in premium here with the keyword Cake. We talked about this all the time, starting even from the 3rd of January 2023. So this was over here. And so this is how I handle my videos. I never delete any premium video. I never delete any YouTube video. You can track back what I've said in the past and simply look at how this ages. And I'm for sure not right all the time, but since statistics are in our favor when we bet on falling prices, I am more often right than wrong when it comes to shorting altcoins. Now Now here's another example. This is Filecoin. This is falling relative to Bitcoin. It's still an open position. Then we've got Optimism. I have talked about this Optimism short already on YouTube, and I still keep that open. I don't think that as to date, which is the 5th of June 2023, that the team and the early backers have already sold. Most of the price depreciation we see so far is probably from short speculative money such as us. There's also other very profit-making positions. This one, for example, I'm not going to disclose this openly now. This is part of Premium. Here's another one that we expect to very soon go further down. Again, part of Premium. And so that's why the relatively high price of $75 per month is worth it. There is real alpha, real outperformance in the Premium membership. If you've got $5,000 that you're willing to dedicate to crypto investments, then I'm very sure that the money that you spend on Premium will more than make up for it. The crypto market is simply that inefficient. It's way easier to beat crypto than it is, for example, the stock market, where there's now so many professional investors already in it. But I do understand how spending $75 on a monthly subscription might feel somewhat daunting at the beginning. But I did see how most people simply stay subscribed for the long term because of all of those opportunities. And so here comes the deal. If you are unhappy with the content that comes with Premium, if you are dissatisfied, then I will refund you 100% if you message me in the first week. So you sign up, you watch all the videos, you download all the content you want, you check out the Telegram channels, etc. And if after 1 week you don't feel like you get adequate value out of this, then message me in Telegram or email me and you get all your money back. I will simply just refund you within Stripe. I'm that certain that it's really worth it. So there's really no downside for you. There's only upside for trying it out. I really wouldn't know a reason why you wouldn't just give it a shot. So looking forward to see you on Premium. Looking forward to see you in the Premium chats, in the Premium Telegrams. We discuss various opportunities over here. And of course, thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.